Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit text on Wix. This is one of the simplest yet most important skills you'll need when managing your website. Whether you're updating product descriptions, rewriting a blog post, or just making small adjustments to your content, Wix makes the process quick and easy. The first step is to open the Wix website editor. Head over to the Wix website, log into your account, and select the site you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your website laid out in front of you, ready to be customized. Now find the text you want to edit. Hover your cursor over that section and double-click on the text box. By doing this, Wix will automatically highlight the text and open up an editing box. From here, you can start making your changes. You'll also notice an Edit Text button pop up. Clicking this will bring up the text editor panel. This is your main workspace for editing content. Here, you can change the font, adjust the size, pick new colors, and modify alignment. You can even bold or italicize words if you want to emphasize certain parts of your content. Essentially, you have full control to style your text just the way you like. Once you're done editing, it's a smart idea to preview your changes. At the top of the Wix editor, you'll see the option to switch to preview mode. This will show you exactly how the text will appear on your live site, so you can double check everything looks perfect. Finally, don't forget to publish your site once you're satisfied. If you skip this step, your changes will stay in the editor and won't be visible to visitors. Publishing ensures that your new text goes live and your audience sees the updates right away. And that's all it takes. Editing text in Wix is fast, simple, and gives you complete control over your content. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on making your website even better.